Good morning. Here is a quick talk about. I have been getting a fair amount of questions from some of my friends who see my videos about Bitcoin, BitcoinCash, and all that kind of stuff. And when a person is getting introduced to the subject, it's a little different than how to use a bank account or standard money stuff. The way it's a little different than bank accounts and credit cards and all that. So I just wanted to recommend a wallet. When I was new, I still use this one, the Bitcoin.com wallet, and the way to get it. Well, first, the definition of wallet. It's a special app or program that you can have on your computer or on your device, phone. Usually you can download it from the App Store. So if you have Apple, there's an iOS version, or if you have Samsung or whatever other one, there's an Android version. And you can download the Bitcoin.com wallet, for example, for free. It'll create for you a wallet, and the wallet is a piece of software that holds safely your Bitcoin for storage, or for sending, or for receiving. Okay, and when you first open up the app, it's going to be empty, and this is what happened to me back in, I think, 2014 or 15. That's where I first wanted to see what is this Bitcoin thing. And I downloaded, I think, some kind of Bitcoin wallet or whatever it was, and I couldn't figure out how to find Bitcoin. I just had an empty wallet. And so I kind of gave up on it for a while. And lucky ran back into it a few years later. A friend of mine introduced me to Coinbase, where you can buy Bitcoins. And then once you buy them from Coinbase, you can move them into a private wallet. But when you're new, I recommend just to open up a free wallet. And if you do, if you go under the address, or if you go into the wallet and you click on receive, it'll show an address with a funny symbol, like a QR code. And usually you can copy and paste. There's a string of letters underneath it. It's really long, garbled letters. So you copy that, and then you paste it into the comments below. And when you do that, I'll take that address and I'll send you a little tip, or so you can get some Bitcoins into your wallet. I'm using BitcoinCash, okay, so make sure you're using the BitcoinCash wallet, because the fees are so small and it's very fast. So yeah, so hopefully this helps. So again, you need a wallet. That's a thing that will store, send, and receive on the Bitcoin network. Then you open the wallet, click receive, and it'll show a QR code with a string of numbers below it. Most phones, if you push on that, it'll copy it right away. Then paste it into the comment box below, and I'll send you your first Bitcoin Cash. Thank you.